Hi guys, we're down at the park. It's a little bit of a cool day. I think it was -5. We had a little bit of snow this morning. As you can see, we don't have much snow on the ground. It feels like it's warming up a little bit. I think it's supposed to go up to -1 today. So we thought we'd take out the DJI AVATA. We've just updated the props on the AVATA, and we mounted a new camera mount on there. And today we want to try out that camera mount and mount the Ace Pro on there and maybe do some 8K footage. Anyways, let's go down to the table here and set up and get started. Okay, camera is on the AVATA. Okay, she's recording 8K. So let's check this out. We have her in normal mode. Let's just fly up around here. Drone seems pretty stable with the camera on top. Just hope we don't hit any branches. We're not going to go far. We don't want to lose the Ace Pro. So we're just going to kind of cruise around here. Yeah, we have the new master screw air props. Well, we better get down a little bit low there. I don't know if I notice anything that different with the master air screw props. We're just kind of cruising around in normal mode. We want to try and get used to the new props, and hopefully we don't have any issues. Let's go down a little bit lower here, maybe through the playground. Let's go a little bit lower here. Let's check out the lake. It's a beautiful day. A little on the cool side, but beautiful out. We're just gonna kind of circle around here. No GPS. Why is that? Huh. 8 satellites. High wind velocity. Wonder why that is. Only 8, only 8 satellites. That's kind of weird. I'm not sure if the Ace Pro is affecting that. Now we're down to, like 0 satellites. 8, 10 satellites. 9 satellites. I don't know. You know what? The Ace Pro may be giving some interference. Yeah, we're losing satellites. So I think we're going to bring her in and just fly her around without the Ace Pro. But we did want to test out the Ace Pro, so you know, we did get some footage. And that new mount, I think, is working quite well. I don't see any issues with the AVATA. The AVATA, other than the GPS, she's flying quite well. Yeah, she's maneuvering around nicely. Yeah. So we'll see. We're going to take the camera off and just see. Okay. Yeah, that is kind of weird there. We didn't have any satellites there, so I'm not sure if the Ace Pro is affecting the GPS. Anyway, we're gonna stop the video. We got a bit of footage. Okay, so let's remove the Ace Pro. We have some footage. Camera mount works great. Nothing's loose. Nothing moved. Camera didn't move. Yeah, it's going to be interesting. We'll see what kind of footage we have. Very nice. Very nice. Yeah, I think I'm happy with the performance there. Okay, let's stick the camera in here. The batteries. Okay, we're down to 2 bars, but probably had a little bit more time. We'll start out with a fresh battery. Yeah, I don't really notice a difference with the new master air screw props, but she's flying okay. She's flying okay, and even with the Ace Pro on there, she seemed to be okay. And as you can see, we've also put some prop guards on it. One of the reasons that we have all the new props, the new prop guards, the new guard protectors was because this very same spot we had the AVATA out, and we were testing out some new rates. And we were doing a little bit of manual flying here in the park, and we didn't get high enough when we did a flip. And unfortunately, when we did that flip, the drone came down and landed like that, or it landed and then flipped over. But at any rate, it did some damage. At first, I only seen the prop guard was cracked, I think, on this side. And I thought, okay, that's something that I could replace. And I purchased one, but then when I looked in the goggles, it had all sorts of motor errors, sensor errors. So we ended up taking the AVATA into OmniView Tech, which is a local company here in Mississauga, and we had the repairs done on the AVATA, $253 later. But anyways, this is the first time that we're actually flying it since that crash. So hopefully we don't have any crashes today. Anyways, let's get back to flying. I'll show you a bit of that footage at the end of this video. All right, thanks guys.
Nah, don't try it. You can't feed me lies, won't buy it. Question everything, told them, nah, don't try it. Yeah, but you're moving like some sidekick. But you're moving like some waste man. Tryna impress me, won't like it. Be yourself, man, please don't try it. Really, why do they always? Nah, don't try it. You can't feed me lies, won't buy it. Question everything, told them, nah, don't try it. Yeah, but you're moving like some sidekick. But you're moving like some waste man. Tryna impress me, won't like it. Be yourself, man, please don't try it. Really, why do they always? Yeah, you know I'm back like black tracksuit with a black top cap. People love to try, people love to lie. People forget, stop, remember that. We done them good, do you remember that? We needed someone, here's the facts. But people love to try.
Okay guys, we were flying in manual mode and we did a flip and she came down and hit the ground and broke the prop guard. Yeah. So I guess that's the end of today's flying. We're gonna see if we can't glue that back. This is normally pretty resilient, but you know, it's still pretty cold out, and hitting the ground is like hitting concrete. Anyways, thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one. Oh boy. Oh boy.